This station rules the nation.
Hello, 911. 804 said I hear you calling.
Hello, 804. Hello, 804. 911 waiting right back.
Who was reading the mail?
Whew. Another warm day, but another blessed day, 911. 804, Carolinas. Standing by.
4804, yeah, it's a muggy one over here in the Big Apple. It's a muggy day over here in the Big Apple. We're expecting some rain later on today. Let's see what happens. 804, always a pleasure to have you in my video gate. 911, big trees waving.
Yeah, another muggy one. Another.
You did enough stepping on.
That's for sure. There's a couple of stations trying to get up in this radio, but couldn't quite figure them out. Just put my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers in the air, and now I go.
Hey, you over here in the strawberry patch, man. When you keyed 804, I thought one of my locals was stopping by to say hello. 804, 911, big trees, goddamn.
I called Fitzgerald, Georgia, didn't come on.
You said you thought one of your locals was coming by to say hello when I keyed up. I heard that. Well, you know what I'm saying. I don't always have Mother Nature, but when I do, look out. 804 go.
I told you.
804, full quiet. When you keyed that mic, it was a full quiet. I said, damn, one of my locals plugging my ears? It was old 804, no doubt about it. 911 waiting.
Got all the way down. 91, you wrap it up, I see you.
Nah, buddy, I want to see who else is calling me by 911. I'm going to sit here and see if I can figure out who else was calling me. To talk to everybody if I get a chance to. Catch you later, 911.
DBs too got bigger.
804 got down.
Oh, you got 50 DBs too, no doubt about it. 91 told you so, and I'm stepping on. Hey, 91, no.
14 in the Garden State. Tip top of the day to you, partner. 804 Carolina, he's returning the call.
PJ, I ain't never done that now. I've never had him pointed that way. They ain't no damn telling what he come up to on me. I've never tried that.
Hello, round DX Land, 911, New York City with the wave.
911 come in there and just killed my damn radio. PJ.
You said PK, 911, big trees with the wave.
911, you killing me down here in Tennessee. Jackhammer told you that.
Hey, Jackhammer, you making a lot of noise in my video gate in New York City. Old Jackhammer, 911, big trees waving.
I heard you, 911. The guarantee told you sounded good down here in my neighborhood there. Yeah, I was talking to my local down here, a fella named PJ up there. I was talking to him there, and you come in there like gangbusters there. Sounding good. Happy weekend. 911. Bill 151 Jackhammer on his peanut whistle, and I'm standing.
151 Jackhammer, no doubt about it, man. I got it all because you said it all. Oh, Jackhammer, welcome to the weekend. 911, New York City with the video game rolling.
How about you, Bro Jack?
Get him, Hammer.
Tennessee, waving a hand.
Tennessee just jump up in there. Hello, Tennessee. 911, Big Apple waving. The beach mobile. Who's out that mobile out there in the beach?
Stop.
No, they don't
Daytona Beach Mobile, making noise over here in the big trees. I didn't get that handle. 911, big trees, got down.
This old cotton picker, worldwide cotton picker. Hello, 45.
Oh, we got you that time, cotton picker. That's 3 in a row, cotton picker. 911, big trees with the wave.
Good deal. We winning, ain't we? 4 in a row. Good deal. They entertained. Cotton picker, Daytona Beach in the lounge here. I see you.
10-4, cotton picker, always a pleasure. 911, New York City, we 10-10 until we do it again.
So I feel a little bit better today, so I figured I'd ease out here and see what's going on. Hey, Crush, how do your kid is going?
Check. Well, I hope you feel better, man. It's a nice weekend coming up. Get out of the house. That's what you need to do. You got to get that motor running. I hope everything well and swell, and that recovery come right quick. You take care, audio, old Crush with the weekend wave and a fast recovery. I'm back quiet.
Hi, Crush. Down. Hammer laid down in my town, Crush. Welcome to the weekend. Audio kid is clear.
Audio Kid making a lot of noise in my radio. I hear Audio Kid 2 channels away. Audio Kid 911, big trees, goddamn.
Hi there, 911. Audio kid, right back.
I was up on 26, and that Audio Kid splashing me worse than my logos, man. Audio Kid, you doing your thing in the big trees. 911 gone.
458. 458. See right on, Middleman, you got that digit car smoking. Middleman, you got that stick down. Middleman, your homeboy in the ATL. See, I'm working the ground plane, bye-bye.
Hey, 91 in Chicago. Hey, 91 in Chicago. I'm going to try to ease up your receiving wave. Chicago, Agitator to bound.
918. I hope I got it right.
A whole lot of soup in my receive. There's a whole lot of soup in my receive. 911, New York City with the wave.
911, look out. Hey, 911. 911, Agitator in the bound waving.
Hello around the man, hello around the big band, making a whole lot of noise in my video game in New York City. 911, New York City, waving right back.
No, good afternoon, 911 around New York. Hey, 911, I hope you having a good enough your way. Agitator in Alabama, North Carolina.
Agitator, we definitely got you out there. You definitely cleaned out my video game right there. You got a couple other stations jumping up and down from North Carolina, I heard up in there. 911, New York City with the video game rolling. Let's go.
Hello, 911 around New York.
261, if you can make me.
911 around New York. 264.
It's on the rest.
264. I got a whole lot of soup right there, but the one that come up over the power is 264. 264, 911, big trees waving right back.
Hey, appreciate it, 911. Just want to get out there and wave my hand, man. Let you know you're doing a good job back here in the Carolinas. 911, have a good day. 264, I see you.
10-4, 264, that was all you right there. There's a little bit of a hornet's nest out there, but you come up over the pile. 264, 911, big trees, goddamn.
911, Chicago. 458. What are these white ones?
Let's make some noise, let's make some noise, let's make some noise around DX land. 911, big trees, goddamn.
How about a 911? How about a 911? 516 in the ATL?
516 in the ATL, 516 in the ATL, just made it in my video game in New York City. Oh, 516 in the ATL, 911, big trees, right back. I just heard that 458 455 in the Carolinas. 8455, you just made it in the gate for 911, Big Trees, goddamn.
510 911, sounding good down here in the Carolinas. Hey, South 75 455.
74455, welcome to the weekend, and I hope you have a happy one down your way. 911, Big Trees, waving.
We got it all, they set it off. 911,
The ATL still making noise in my video gate. The ATL is still making noise in my gate. 911, Big Trees, goddamn.
I'm trying to make a little noise with the big boys. 516 in the ATL.
516 in the ATL. I heard it because you said it. 516. You said you trying to make some noise with the big boys. 516 in the ATL. 911 in the trees, waving. Therefore, no doubt about it around the ATL. Definitely making noise in the big trees. 911 New York City video gates with the video gate rolling. Let's go.
516 in the ATL.
10-4, you still making noise around the ATL. Bye.
P5 Tennessee.
Oh, they go to Smoky Hills. It just got foggy in here. 911 Big Trees, goddamn.
A911 Big Apple. 911 465. That damn Yankee out of Knoxville waving a hand.
165, we definitely got you out of Knoxville. 165, 911 Big Trees, waving.
AS 465. 465.
You been up at 911 while you doing your thing, or fucking cruising?
Smoking the season you got down around K-Town, that's for sure, my friend. 911, the damn Yankee. Bye.
Got it that time, 465, we definitely got it that time. 465, the damn Yankee out of Knoxville, Tennessee. 911 New York City with the wave.
How about now? Can you hear me now, 911?
I got you in there, come on.
Oh yeah, I just flipped the switch over there, just shake him up a little bit.
Oh yeah, you in the strawberry patch right now. You in the strawberry patch, about 15 dBs over here.
10-4, Mother Nature doing her thing. She's in my favor. She's in your favor. She's in my favor. I'll tell you that much. You have yourself a good one. 911 sounding real good over here, man. Just want to let you know, the damn Yankee. Till next time, I'll see you. Bye.
Jackhammer down here, Gulf Coast. Got it. 804, there I go again. Tell him I thank him. 804. Bye.
804 down here in the Carolinas. Standing by, taking a few calls.
Hey, take care, my friend. Skip Shooter, 357 Magnum, North Carolina Mountains on the side.
Skip Shooter, 8357 Magnum, 911 Big Trees, goddamn.
15 minutes ago, that was pretty awesome. 804 Carolinas, taking a few calls.
Oh, 804. See, I got that. I can mess around with my locals now. I can have them jumping up and down like James Brown thinking they getting skipped.
Yeah, there you go.
I hear you 911, that was pretty cool. Alright, now I know who the culprit was. But yeah, man, that's pretty awesome. You can mess with it a little bit.
804 down here in the Carolinas. Standing by, taking a few calls.
68, keys around 6200.
I got my own personal repeater up there around the Big Apple there. You got the audio level up a little bit from what I've been hearing there now. That's pretty good, man. You got it just about right. You could probably stand to go just a little bit more on the gain if you wanted to. I'm just saying, but that's a pretty big improvement there. Just let you know.
Yeah, 10-4. That's internal. That's an internal recorder. That's not one of those Watergate boxes. That's in the program. I hit R on my keyboard, it starts to record. I hit R again, it stops recording. I hit P and it plays it.
You don't need to push it anyhow. When you get up to that level, you got plenty anyhow.
Real 45 in New Jersey, 185.
Yeah, I heard that 911. I'm gonna let 152 pick up a call. I'll ease it back for just a second.
804, 911, big trees. We're on the side reading the mail.
185 back to them, gone back to the doggone
I hear you, 152. No, seriously, man, I was gonna let you take a call there. Me and 911 was just going on.
Beat it with this big old long.
152, 911, New York City is waving it one more time.
I'm reading the mail.
911, wherever he's at up here in New York. Jack in the backwoods up here below Syracuse saying howdy do.
That's what I'm talking about. Apple Shack, Apple Shack, Apple Shack. No doubt about it. Don't really copy you down here all the time, and I know you working through 804's radio. Apple Shack, 911, big trees waving.
Roger D, Roger.
Apple Shack, Apple Shack, Apple Shack. Don't really copy you down here through 804's radio. Apple Shack, 911, big trees waving. Now that's a repeater.
Driver do about a whole 1,000, 1,500 if I push it.
10 Roger, working the vertical side. These 4 elements of fury back down to Carolinas, back quiet.
This is my 7-element flat side. 40-foot long 7-element homebrew that I got out here in the backyard, and it's the best thing I ever did.
I hear my buddy.
Have a good day out here. My local in there talking, so we're going to get out of here and go 10-6, kind of sit back and just listen in a while.
Yeah, that's a good friend of mine out here on my end there. Yeah, I hear that rascal out there. I was trying to let him get it back to you. Sure was. But I'm glad he made the trip, man. I think he's a little 4-pill mobile or something. Anyway, we're going to ease it on back.
Is it safe to play? Break.
Oh, hell yeah, man. The water's warm. Jump in the pool. 911, big trees with the video game rolling.
Right there, right now. 911 with the wave right back. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna just listen in, man. I ain't got no power, so I'm not gonna play myself. I'm on the check-in.
No doubt, man. We probably could get it to 804, man. 804 got that receive, man. We got that NASA beam up there.
Yeah, Roger 4. I was kicking it with 804 yesterday for a hot little minute. I was trying to make it quick so the boys won't slam that hammer, but I was...
Hey, 911, I got $1.99 just fine.
Sloppy copy your dollar with that afternoon. You know what time it is.
10-4, no doubt. 804 just put some weight on your back, dollar. But he did say he is you. 911, big trees. We stepping out the way.
No doubt about it. I 804, I appreciate the wave right back. Your $1.99 on this barefoot station. And 9, I appreciate you rolling that 5. Bye. Wave right back. Your $1.99 on this barefoot station.
Yeah, there you go. There's the playback. 804 just played it back.
Yeah, that dude got a mean station, man. He got all the satellites from Scarface. He got them.
Great Lakes of Michigan.
Yep, 10-4 on that, man. He got the nice clean Watergate on that. I know later on tonight we're going to have some fun. Check it out.
804 down here in the Carolinas. Standing by, taking a few calls.
Alright, go get back. Fluffy cruising.
911, you gonna confuse everybody on my end.
They're going to say 804 moves to New York City.
I knew that duck plucker has some real estate over here in the 5 boroughs.
You gotta watch, you might get some feathers up in there and you'll be shitting at the end. How you doing, 07, man? I ain't gonna stay here long. I'll just come in here for this break. Oh, Fluffy, on this 1 and 2, getting up, getting down, click.
some noise in my video gate. Hey, Fluffy, 911, Big Apple, waving. It's weird too, cause even no matter where I go, I catch 804. I be in the Mobile, up in the mountains in New York City, deep in the mountains. And the first station I get to when I talk DX is 804.
Yeah, I don't know, man. He got a double.
I hear you, 911.
Yo, I think he's up the block, man. He gotta be somewhere local. He hiding out.
Hello, around DX Land, 911, New York City with the wave.
Hey, 911, where's that live video gate? I don't see no live video gate on your channel.
Oh, it's not live. It's not live. I'm recording it right now as we speak. I'll put it together in a few hours and it'll be up, no doubt about it. Anytime you talk to me, the video gate is rolling.
Alright, sounds good. Yeah, I'll check that out. 911, you have a good one. The damn Yankee, you back quiet.
No doubt about it, damn Yankee. You'll definitely be in there. Hey, damn Yankee, hit that subscribe button so as soon as I put it up, you'll get the notice. 911, big trees, goddamn.
I did subscribe. The damn Yankee did subscribe.
And for a damn Yankee, check it out in the evening. It should be up. 911, big trees, goddamn.
I'll see you. Bye.
As you can see, it's HD high definition, so that takes a little bit of time. But I don't mind, because I like doing it. 911, big trees, goddamn.
Quality always takes a little extra time. I hear you, my man. You have a good one. The damn Yankee. Back quiet.
You see what the hell I'm talking about? How foolish people are.
Go around DX Land, 911 around the apple trees, just got down.
Head on,
I got you with the big wave, I couldn't quite get that 28, but I heard you. 911, New York City said kick it back.
What's going on, 911 up there around the Big Apple tree, big old mud, welcome to the weekend when it rolls.
Tennessee.
You said they call you the Mud Duck? The Mud Duck definitely got you in there, Mud Duck. No doubt about it, man. Sounding a whole lot of good. Welcome to the weekend. 911 and the apple trees just got down.
911, in the place in the bed, no doubt.
I heard 751 in there. 751, 911, big tree with the wave right back.
Big tree.
Oh, 751 made it in my video gate. 751, 911, Big Apple.
What video gate you got? Where's this video gate at?
911 NYC video gates on your YouTube. 911 NYC video gates on your YouTube. 911 gone.
Alright, 911, no doubt, man. Sounding good down here around Chattanooga 10, no doubt about it, big brother. We'll put it on you another day, another way. I'll be over Attila the Hun, old hot dog bud, trying to have some fun in the sun down here around Smoke 10. Worldwide, 911 got down and gone.
Attila the Hun on a hot dog bun trying to have some fun. You sure said a mouthful, no doubt about it. Attila the Hun, 911, big trees waving.